Have you seen a fireside chat where the chatters are standing? No, because all of you have the privilege to sleep, but we can't after lunch, so we are standing. And Yaniv is comfortable with walking and also standing, so I'm standing a little far away so that he gets the space. So there is a statistics about digital transformation. 90% of CEOs believe that digital transformation is a must. I just hope the 10% is not in India. And still, when 90% believe that digital transformation is a must, only 17% of CEOs have really gone into a digital transformation journey. So we have Yaniv today. He's come from Israel, from Amdocs. He's the general manager for digital. He's going to help us to understand how we do digital transformation, what are the trends that are there, etc. Can I ask your first question?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. As a leading global software vendor in the telecom industry, what are the major digital trends that you are seeing in this industry?
So first, I'm very excited to be here and very proud to be in this wonderful event. Big thank you for hosting me. So once we are looking on the trend on the industry, there are major trends today on the industry that can impact the future of digital and digital experience. The first one discussed a lot, basically yesterday and today, and this is generative AI. Generative AI is the fastest growing technology in the market. And basically, it's a power force that will reshape the future of economic and the future of society. And it's very clear that companies that will not embrace generative AI will not survive the future economic. So my recommendation that once you are implementing in your organization generative AI, you will look on two aspects. First aspect is the inbound. How you are improving your internal processes. Going role by role within the organization and seeing how this role can be more effective. And I want to make it very clear, it's not only for R&D, not only for development efficiency, for testing efficiency, it's for all role. And I hope that actually you hear PT, CEO, what he said last week. He said that actually by the end of the decade, he will release 55,000 employees, 42% of his workforce. The second aspect you need to look at is basically the outbound. How generative AI helping your business, helping you to create better customer service, helping you to create better sales experience. The second trend I want to discuss, it's basically low-code, no-code. Low-code, no-code is a major trend today. Basically, low-code is the ability to build an application using visual techniques by drag and drop, process modeling. And basically, the benefit of a low-code, it's accelerate the time to market between 6 to 10 times. It's empowering the business user. The third trend, Pankajam, is basically 5G. And basically 5G is a major trend in digital. Since the promise of 5G rollout is to provide us faster network and basically increase the bandwidth of the network, give us better latency, and also increase the bandwidth. And this is open the door to new set of applications in the industry. Better AR, VR, smart cities, smart agriculture, automotives, basically, autonomous automotive. And also can help to existing industry like healthcare, to monitor critical component like patient sensor, and provide private area network.
Okay, definitely you
Additional
got
one.
my name right. And you also shows lot of passion for generative AI. Thank you. You wanted to say something else? One more point?
Additional trend, Web 3.0. Web 3.0, for the one that not familiar, the third generation of the internet, and basically growing in CAGR of 42%, and basically providing us two things. Provide us the ability to move data in decentralized way using blockchain technology, and you can see already the use of it. For example, Starbucks, the coffee, extend their loyalty, and once you are buying a coffee, you are getting an NFT, so using a blockchain. Other things of Web 3.0 is the metaverse, that basically one of the nice examples for it is SK Telecom. SK Telecom built the metaverse with 13 million users. Basically, once you enter the metaverse, it's like you step into the internet. So what you can do there, basically you're choosing an avatar so you can meet friends within the metaverse. You can go to movies. You can go to party and also do shopping.
Yeah, so we like to go to party and shopping. There is definitely a lot of conversations on low-code, no-code platforms. Is it really no-code or is it optimized code? And also on federated data management versus centralized data management. So we got a sneak peek into the industry trends. My next question to you is, what are the main drivers for digital transformation?
So basically, I'm meeting a lot of C-level across the industry, and what you see, that basically the driver for transformation are relatively the same, cross industries and cross geographic. Everybody wants to improve customer experience. And basically, some of them choosing digital-first strategy. So what is digital-first strategy? Digital-first saying that actually you are using the unassisted channel, the mobile, the self-service to manage the life cycle of your customer. So you are moving activities that was on CRM into the unassisted channel, like self-service and mobile app. And this measured by the number of activities, number of business processes that supported on CRM that you are moving into the unassisted channel. Other things, basically, is all of us want to improve, one of the drivers, to make our system smarter and to ensure that every interaction with the end user is driven by AI and machine learning, providing personalized and contextual experience. One more, basically looking for new revenue streams as part of modernization and transformation. So it can be done using different methods. One method is basically extend your base offering with OTT and IoT capabilities. So you see a lot of telcos bundling their offering with Netflix, with Hulu. Other option is basically open a new brand to address new customer segment. And we discuss it, a lot of the banks basically opening digital brand in order to address new customer segments. Basically, we check 80 service providers and they open 140 brands. It means that for each telco, you have 2 secondary brand they open. It's major. Other thing, going completely to a new vertical. So for example, you see Vodafone, that is a telco company playing in fintech. They are the strongest fintech company in South Africa. Moreover, part of digital transformation, you want to improve time to market. Time to market is the key to win the marketplace. The ability to launch new offering faster. And this can be done by moving into a cloud-native platform. the ability to deliver software faster by using the modularity of microservice and CI/CD. Moreover, by making the system more configurable, using low-code platform. Moreover, you want to reduce your TCO. And you can reduce your TCO as part of digital transformation by streamlining the architecture, removing legacy system and redundant system, and also by moving into the cloud. Moving into the cloud basically provide you the option to automate your operation, what called low ops and no ops. And last, basically, we all want to become green. We do see CEOs around the world committing for a greener brand, providing more transparency regarding their energy consumption, moving into a greener energy, reducing their carbon footprint. And this is done basically using a lot of things. Moving to paperless bill, doing device recycling, and also by changing infrastructure. Changing the infrastructure of copper into fiber, also marketing as green.
Okay, so it's not only banks that look for new revenue. I think telecom industry is also looking at new streams of revenue.
For sure.
And I think you also touched upon about customers really wanting a change, or we changing for the sake of customers. I think customers are really pressurizing us to go on the digital transformation. They want to have the latest things. If you look at a bank, no more branches are important. It's all through app.
For sure.
So I think that's where the world is moving. My third question to you is, of course, we have all this software and all what you have spoken, but there is a human element to successful digital transformation. What is that? What is the key to achieving successful digital transformation in an organization?
So first, this is excellent question. Since once you are looking on the success rate of digital transformation, only 30% of digital transformation are successful, getting to finish line and meeting the target of digital transformation. So basically in Amdocs, we are running digital transformation in the bigger telcos and also in bigger telco providers like AT&T, Vodafone, T-Mobile. And there are several ingredients that are critical for successful digital transformation. First one, I am calling it gradual transformation or agile transformation. And the idea that you need to provide gradual business value every month, every quarter to provide business value. I see basically transformation, they're trying to transform their whole ecosystem and saying, we will provide value in 3 years, in 4 years. It's not working like this. The idea that you need to fail fast, do retrospective, fail fast, do retrospective, and basically by this, you improve your delivery method. The second thing is culture of innovation. This is critical. You need to encourage your employees to experiment, encourage them to look for new technologies, to look for new business processes. And my belief, it can be done only with strong leadership that will sponsor the program, that are digital savvy and will accept failures. And the third thing that actually very important is basically building the future workforce. From one side, you have your employees that are very strong in your business. So you need to reskill them to the new technology. On the other side, you want to recruit new employees that basically talents from the industry. In India, I have a lot of talents. To recruit new talents into the organization and to upskill all the organization. Last point, and I think this is the most important and basically major cost to digital transformation failure, it's simplification of the business processes. Digital business processes. The idea that you need to encourage both the business and the IT to simplify the business processes, to simplify the old business processes, the legacy business processes. And I see basically transformation that doing a copy of their existing processes into the new system. No, you must simplify your business processes. Simplify and do digitalization to your business processes.
Yeah, I just wanted to redefine in a different way what you have said, which is so valid, is that when you're doing a digital transformation, you really go first with people, because people have to understand that they have to change in an environment where there is digital transformation. Then you look at the process, like what you said, process to make it simple, and then go for technology. So it's people, process, technology in that order. That's very important, in that order.
Agree.
Okay, thank you. What will the future digital experience be looking like? And how are you creating more engaging customer experience? Because we do this for, one is definitely generating revenue, but the second aspect is to improve customer experience. How do you think that can happen?
So first, once basically online shopping today, it's already a norm, especially after the pandemic. But if you see the statistic on developed country, you see that 85% of the users, before they are buying new offering, they will search the web. They will search for the best offer, for the best price. How many of them will buy online? Only 15% will buy online. 69% will go into the retail shop. So basically, how you are innovating and make sure that people will not go to the retail shop and will buy online, and blur the line between the physical retail shopping to the online experience of shopping. There are companies that done it in a very nice way. One of them is L'Oreal. L'Oreal acquired a company that, using artificial intelligence and augmented reality, provide the try-it-on experience, and basically provide the ability to try their product online using augmented reality, to try their makeups, to try their lipstick, to try their hair color, everything online. And this is a super powerful tool, especially with the social channel, with the TikTok, with the Instagram, with Facebook, that everybody will show how it's look on them. The other thing, very similar, is digital human. Basically, on digital human, you can clone an existing person. So CBS Bank basically cloned their chief finance, Daniel Kalt. And basically, the clone of Daniel Kalt providing recommendation and advice to their high-value customer. And the last point that actually I want to make is actually change on your digital strategy in order to improve the digital experience. You are all familiar with omni-channel experience, but there is a different method called multi-experience or channel-less experience. And the idea of it, that you actually providing the user to interact on every channel, every device, every touch point, connect in his channel of choice. The nice example for it is Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza providing you 15 different ways to buy your favorite pizza. You can do it using voice interaction, basically using text interaction, WhatsApp, or using a messenger. You can use Alexa or Google Home. You can use application in your car or application in your TV, also application in your mobile, 15 different ways to buy your favorite pizza. Thank you, Pankajam.
Okay, thank you for that. Domino's Pizza, we'll get it through Swiggy. So I just wanted to say that in the journey of setting up global capability centers, we start with doing transactional work. So, and we need leaders who support transactional work. Over a couple of years, we transform and we say that now we want value addition. And what does value addition mean? It's really supporting in the transformation of the processes through automation or simple tasks that we do because of the global experience that we possess in this country. So we have been in the space of transactional and transformational. I think with digital transformation, we have to really fast forward and go to the area of shaping value for other organizations. For the organizations that we work in, for our parent organization, we say that we shape the value. So it is one step ahead of having global leadership in India, having centers of excellence in India. We are saying that we will do digital transformation. We have the big tech debt in India. We will work globally with globally in different parts of the world. We get the talent and we start shaping value for our customers, for the parent organization. I think we have the golden opportunity to do that, and all the inputs that Yaniv gave is actually to support us to take the courage for digital transformation. Yaniv told me that out of the 17%, that is my data, 17% of CEOs that are really opting for digital transformation, only 30% of them are successful. So I said, that's not a bad number at the start. But I asked him, why is it that only 30% are successful? Why is it that the leaders are not taking the step to do digital transformation? And can I tell what your answer was?
Go for it.
He said,
I
because
believe in it.
they're afraid of their jobs. So I think, that's the fact, but I think that we have the courage to go forward and shape value for the organizations that we work in. Thank you.
Big thank you.
For more content on tech and leadership, subscribe to NASSCOM YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.